What's the meaning of cocked hat? Cocked hat. Cocked hat.
Cocked hat. Cocked hat. Cocked hat refers to a triangular-shaped hat worn by men in the 18th and early 19th centuries. It was typically made of felt or beaver fur and had three corners that could be folded up or down. The term cocked hat has also come to mean a situation where three things are perfectly aligned, forming a triangular shape, such as the result of three lines intersecting at a single point. This term is often used in geometry or navigation to describe the precision of measurements or calculations.